In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to change the stacking point of a graded pattern piece in PADSystem. To change the stacking point is to change how that particular pattern piece is nested. For instance, we may want the front bodice pattern, all the graded pieces be aligned on the center front. So I'll show you how to do that now. But first off, we ensure I have two copies of the same pattern piece. So we have one for control. Then two, I ensure that we are on grade view. Grade view control +3. Now that we're on grade view, we select the pattern piece that we want to work on. Then we select the point, we highlight the point where we want to stack our pattern. You can see here at the corner here at the right corner here, bottom right here is where I want to stack this body's pattern. Then I'll press Ctrl Alt key on my computer keyboard, Ctrl Alt key, then click on the pointer tool up here. See, we have it stacked. Let me change the stacking point again. So now I want to stack it up here. We select it, it's red, you can see it. Press down Ctrl Alt key, come down here, go up here to the pointer tool and click. We could also select a line. I want to select the shoulder line here. You can see the line is selected. Then press down Ctrl Alt and click on the pointer tool. You have it stacked on the shoulder, but I do not like that look. I don't like that look. So I'm going to change the stacking point to here. Control Alt. Control Z, Control Z. Okay. I don't think we should be stacking to lines. I think it's better off picking up points rather than picking lines. Because as you can see, selecting lines to stack to may distort, not necessarily distort, but we want it all the pattern pieces to be parallel to the green line and not at an angle to the green line. Okay. I could also stack it here at the that apex. Let's see. Here we are, and that's what we are back to the origin.